Is your Ferrari SF90 Stradale displaying key not detected or open case errors? This often signals a low or improperly installed key fob battery. The SF90 key fob uses a CR2032 battery to power its wireless RF system. A depleted battery prevents the fob from communicating with the car's immobilizer via the CAN bus network, triggering these errors. You can typically resolve this yourself. A failing battery can also cause an open case error, indicating the fob isn't sealed correctly after a battery change, risking moisture damage. We'll show you how to replace the battery and troubleshoot common issues, potentially saving you a costly dealership visit. The tools you'll need are a new CR2032 battery and a plastic key fob opener tool, or a small flathead screwdriver. Use carefully to avoid scratches. Use a plastic opening tool or small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open the key fob, ensuring you do not damage the rubber gasket. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Firmly snap the key fob case back together to ensure a tight seal. If you encounter an open case error, double-check the seal. If you still get a key not detected error, try resyncing the key by holding the lock-unlock buttons for 5 seconds. If the problem persists, it might be best to seek professional service.